Hello from FantaBH. Just, let's say, quick first impression, review and few tips about this device. Inside package you can find airgun, power unit, holder, airgun holder, very important part, you will see later, and three air nozzles, exactly 5 millimeters, 8 millimeters and 10 millimeters. This is little key for removing nozzle and putting another one, but I would say it's not so good key, it does not work so well, so I would advise strongly wait for unit to cool down and then replace nozzle, air nozzle. Cool down process is automatical, so you don't have to wait longer than 1 or 2 minutes for it to be cooled down. Besides that, you will get power cord cable according to your selection, so it can be European plug or US plug. It depends what you select when you're buying, so please be careful when you're buying to select correct one. Let's see, everything is just fine. Okay, connected it and you can see numbers. At the moment is 400 degrees. Now first tip, if you wanna this unit start working after you set everything, place this unit in holder. If you do not place it in holder, it will never run. It will never start working. Now I need to keep it. I will use this nozzle, smallest one. Okay, I attached it. You see dots, so if I remove airgun from holder, it will start working. Listen now. It's working, it's heating up. I will place it down so it don't heat up. I wanna set another temperature. I will not work on 400. I will try to remove. Okay, let's see what is maximum number on display regarding temperature. 400. Yep, it should go to 480. It's declared like 480 degrees. Yep, it is. And 99% of airflow. You can lower it down, but I will not. So 480 degree, kinda hot. So let's start it. I pointed in the air, hot air in the air. I don't wanna heat up any device. Okay, again it smells and again it's smoking. Look at it. Can you see smoke? I don't see it if it is recording, but it's smoking again. And I'm not so sure why, but maybe because I'm touching it with fingers, and so maybe it stopped smoking and temperature. Let's try remove some element. Here you see I will remove this, doesn't need it. Okay, I will try to remove this. Let it go out. It's just usually for this you would use. Okay, it's removed. Let's see how it cooled down. Place it back to holder. and look at numbers. It cooling down pretty fast. So all in all, I would say this unit for a price of $48 is best possible choice for hobby electronics, even maybe for professional work, but I don't know how long this unit will work. I mean continuously, and so, but for a hobby, it's I strongly recommend this unit. It's working very well. Even Bango declared on their site that the power consumption is 650 watts, but on power unit you can see 300 watts, so probably mistake or whatever. I used this unit today, you can see it, to remove one USB port on mobile phone, which is totally broken, so I want to replace it. Without this unit, it wouldn't be possible to remove it. So my recommendation, Bango, thank you for this great device. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.